What a great day. Come on down and see us here on the Lot of Leisure Time Sales. It's a fantastic afternoon to be looking at trailers. And today we are taking a look at 5 things I love about the Transcend 2022 265BH. So let's get right into it. As we walk around the unit, the first thing I love about the Transcend Explorer line this year, and you're going to see it repeat itself in every one of these Transcend Explorers, is that it comes with a built-in solar package. Included in the trailer is a 165 watt panel already mounted on the roof. You've got a quick connect plug on the roof to add a second panel if you so choose. It comes already included with the solar charge controller, and all that is going to let you run your 12 volt 8 cubic foot fridge, which we'll see on the inside in just a moment. Thing number 2 I love about this trailer, 6,500 pounds dry. You're going to be able to tow this, get it to the campground, half-ton towable with ease. Got a powered tongue jack. It's going to get it on and off the truck nice and easy, and we love that because it allows you to move around. But also in a trailer the size of this one, you'll see when we get on the inside, lots of living space. So if you're going to be staying somewhere for extended periods of time, you're not moving around, you've got space. But certainly at 6,500 pounds dry weight, you can get yourself moving about. Thing number 3 I love about this trailer is the storage. There's your pass-through storage. I got a couple other things I want to show you. While we're in here, there's your solar charge controller for your solar kit, and there's a meter there as well that gives you a reading off that. Continue our tour around the outside of this trailer as we go by the slide out. The unique bunk layout, which we'll see in a second, allows the folks at Grand Design to open up this nice storage bin at the back. So you've got storage space in here for all kinds of stuff. We'll get right inside there. There's a light, there's a plug, all kinds of room, and as you'll see when we go inside, that's all mounted underneath the bunk, which is an east-west mounted bunk. We'll take a look at that when we get in. Which brings us to thing number 4 I love about this trailer. Before we get inside and get to number 4 though, let's take a look. Dual entrances. Both doors will open up all the way. Both doors are on friction hinges, so you can get both of those doors all the way open, which is a nice feature to have, especially the dual entry. We like that a lot. Heading inside the trailer now, thing 4 is the bunk layout. I absolutely love the bunk layout. While we're at it, a couple more things I'd love to show you about the storage. So as we step back, you can see there's a couple storage drawers underneath the couch. As you go up the steps, the kids have a couple storage drawers as well. Nice carpeted, comfortable steps. Some storage there underneath this nice wardrobe. So the kids have a spot to hang all their stuff, stow their goodies, hang a few things up right here with these hooks on the wall. And then once they get up into the bunks, nice double over double bunks with privacy curtains, individual lights, and there's a charging port mounted right there so that everyone can get at it, whether you're in the bunks or on this nice fold-out couch. So that would be thing 4 I love. The bunk layout, real cool. And again, like we pointed out, it opens up that storage on the outside. Gives you some different options on the inside. Futon style couch that will fold down to create a little bit of extra living space. Speaking of which, you've got a U-shaped dinette on this unit. That'll drop down as well, but you can use that for dinner when you're stuck inside, family game night, that sort of thing. That's all mounted on the slide. You can see that nice trim on the slide by Grand Design. We talked about the 8 cubic foot fridge. Take a look inside, all kinds of space in there. That will, of course, run right off your battery with your solar, keeping all that charged up and ready to go. Before we get into the next couple things I love about this trailer, let's take a look at the beautiful kitchen. Good counter space here. You get good storage underneath. TVs mounted conveniently right across from the dinette. You can also see it from the bunk area. Microwave over top of the 3-burner propane cooktop. Got an oven underneath. Pot and pan storage. High-rise faucet over top of the stainless steel sink. Absolutely fantastic. Great layout for the kitchen. Thing number 5 I love about this trailer is the nice big pass-through bathroom. So stepping back just to get a sense of the floor space before we head into there, with the slide out, you have great space here. With that slide in, you can still access that. That's one of the benefits of the dual entry. You can get to the bathroom, you can get to your living space, you can get to the bedroom without having to put the slide out. Passing through the pass-through bathroom, did I say that right? I sure did. On your left, you've got a little counter, corner medicine cabinet, sink, some storage here for some linens and items. Towel rod's already mounted on this one. foot flush porcelain toilet. Spot here on the right to roll up some linens. And a nice double wide shower with a skylight. Let you get in here and get rinsed off. But again, I'm roaming around in the bathroom here. There's all kinds of space. We'll step back so you can see it. That nice sliding barn style door really opens up some space too on the floor. Doesn't tie it up with the swinging door, and we love that. Finish off the tour now that we've done the 5 things I love. Look at this nice big walk around queen bed. You've got charger ports on either side, USB and traditional plugs on either side of the trailer. Shirt closets. Spot to mount a TV, and you've got windows on either side as well. There's that second door. Let you get out. Nice and comfortable, spacious. For a trailer that comes in at just under, we're at $64.50 for the dry weight. Gives you all kinds of options to tow. You got the 2 doors. So many features we love about this one, but we've narrowed it down to 5. The solar kit, the 6,500 pounds dry, all kinds of storage that are unique and interesting and comfortable for the kids' bunk layout, and that pass-through bathroom. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales, folks. We've got the Transcend Explorer 265BH from Grand Design 2022 edition just landed on the lot. We'd love to show you this. We've got all kinds of pre-owned trailers to show you. Great options rolling through every day as we get ready for camping season on this beautiful day. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales, Quispam Sis, Leisure Time Sales in Moncton.